Well, there are some places where that advice isn't being followed at all. And those are the massive election rallies that are taking place in several states, particularly Uttar Pradesh right now, right in the middle of this COVID surge. Crowds of tens of thousands are gathering, many without masks and with zero social distancing. Well, today the centre said it was the poll panel's responsibility to ensure safety steps. The poll panel passed the buck as well, saying it can't interfere until election dates are formally announced. COVID precautions have been violated at all political rallies, be they of the BJP, the Aam Aadmi Party, the SP or the Congress, also in the presence of top leaders, including the Prime Minister. So just who will take responsibility?
The Centre and the Election Commission passing the buck over whose job it is to stop COVID safety violations at political rallies, despite the government warning of a sudden surge and a potential rise in deaths.
In regard to the specific issue of elections, as we communicated last time, this is for the Honorable Election Commission it is in the domain of the Honorable Election Commission.
देखिए, जब भी चुनाव होता है, हमारा चुनाव आयोग का जब दायित्व शुरू होता है, जब हम एमसीसी लागू कर देते हैं, उससे पहले जो भी वर्क है वो स्टेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का होता है और एसडीएमए के अंतर्गत जो भी उनकी कार्यवाही होगी वो लोग करेंगे. And whenever the elections will be announced, this point will be definitely considered how the big rallies are to be managed or whether digital communication will have to be increased.
But that announcement is several days away at least. For now, rallies continue across parties. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in Uttarakhand's Haldwani to lay the foundation stone for projects worth 23,000 crores. Home Minister Amit Shah was in UP, holding rallies in the western part. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal led this Aam Aadmi Party Yatra in Chandigarh, while the Bahujan Samaj Party's Satish Mishra addressed a rally in UP's Jhansi. The Congress's Priyanka Gandhi Vadra was at a rally in Firozabad on Wednesday. The question is, what happens in the next 1 or 2 weeks with these rallies and as they take place without COVID protocol? That's the question for which we do not seem to have any answers right now. At this Lucknow press conference, the Chief Election Commissioner said all Uttar Pradesh political parties have asked for polls to be held on time despite the COVID threat, but agreed that curbs were needed in poll rallies. The Election Commission will increase polling time by an hour so that social distancing norms can be followed. The Election Commission has directed officials to ensure each of UP's 15 crore plus voters are vaccinated at least with 1 dose, but no eligible voter will be denied the right to vote.
देखिए, चुनाव समय से होना चाहिए. जो तीसरी लहर की बात आई है, हम लोगों की पूरी तैयारी है. वैक्सीन सभी की दूसरी डोज लग चुकी है. अब कोई बात की चिंता नहीं है.
Uttar Pradesh's weekly cases are rising by over 150%, although in absolute numbers it is a little over 400. At such a rate, numbers could surge, a threat our politicians or government bodies do not seem to be taking seriously just yet. With Arshad Jamal, Akshay Dongre and Rajesh Gupta, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.